Okay, so this week, starting this past Sunday, November, I think the 4th, um, I came out to Arizona to attend a conference. Moody's, to be specific, is their annual 2018 Moody's Analytics Summit. I have to admit, I haven't been back to one of these rating agencies slash Moody's analytics platform prior to the credit crisis, and it's almost been 10 years, if not 10 years already, since the crisis has happened. Now, I would say that the attendance overall was spectacular. There were over 100 plus various institutions like banks, credit unions, and things like that that attended the conference. Additionally, there was about, I would say, close to 400 participants, including the Moody's team, though. So, but with that being said, there was a host of topics that was discussed. Of course, credit being one of them, meaning that the credit qualities and what they're seeing in the industry in regards to commercial real estate, housing market, credit card portfolio, student loans, and on and on and on. And I even had the opportunity to actually speak on stage this year for this particular annual summit, in which I really want to thank the Moody's team for that opportunity, and also for my own employer that provided me that opportunity to do that. Overall, it was a really good experience. I learned a lot, and just hearing a lot of the market colors with regards to how the industry is doing. I think that for those who are watching this particular vlog, that you're probably interested in what are some of the outcomes and what are some of the predictions for, say, forecasters. In the industry overall, they did state that, last year's sentiment was that the recession or possible recessions were a little bit further down the line. With that being said, like 24 or 36 months away, which is the prediction was June 2020. It's a joke, but that is the date, definitive date they provided last year's conference. And this year, they also did the same, which is June 20th, 2020. Good or bad, accurate or not, hey, it's a prediction. And overall, the analytics team did provide some really good details about the forecasting aspects. I will communicate that and relate that overall we are seeing from the West Coast, we do see some deterioration of assets out there, especially in commercial real estate. If you look at the public information that was just released in this third quarter's earnings, some of the regional banks didn't perform as well as they should have. And that is a concern in the market space because they're performing write-downs, charge-off, and so forth. From a macroeconomic perspective, the economy is functioning pretty well. For the first time, I think I would agree with them that while I always challenge the thought regards to unemployment rate being overestimated or being low because of lack of participation, we are seeing, and I am even seeing, that the participation rate is starting to step up. And while I'm not 100% on board or fully concurring with them with regards to that denominator or all the participants being in the labor force, I would agree with them there's a positive direction in including all the individuals that are either in or out of employment. With that being said, historically low, we are at a very optimal type of unemployment situation. Optimal isn't good. Optimal in balance from an economy perspective, not quite. Because there are many individuals out there that overall it's not that they're unemployed, but have not identified the appropriate opportunity for them, either from a comp perspective or just task perspective. As our economy in 2018 and forward, heading to 2019, continue to evolve, and that's the theme of this particular conference. It was about transition in the digital age. We've been saying digital for many years now, but I think that this is the first time that I've really seen the intuitiveness and the products out there really catering towards the digital technology space. For example, here I'm doing a vlog, so it's a pretty interesting situation out here in the market space. I really enjoyed the conference overall. Hopefully some of you guys can get the invite or go onto the website and check them out. Again, I want to thank the team at Moody's for providing me the opportunity to attend the conference and also speak at their engagement. Very, very positive experience. I want to give a shout to Alok, Jen, and also Laurent for really extending the, also Emu, to provide that platform for me to experience the Moody's Analytics platform. Till then, peace.